Hi guys. So last class we have seen about what is machine learning and their types. So we have three types of learning, right? Supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. So under supervised, what are the algorithms followed in supervised learning? Classification and regression. So regression we have a logistic and linear regressions. So just these and all we have seen in last class itself, right? So give me one example for logistic regression. Before that, what is mean by logistic regression?
Gives a result in probability one.
Yes, quite exactly. It will give the result as a categorical outcome, like yes or no, true or false, like binary outcomes. So it will give the output as a binary outcome, like zeros and ones. Okay, give me one example for that logistic regression in case study wise.
It is the spam email detection. We can find whether the given message is a spam or not. If it is the message is like spam, the number will be like 0. Then if it is not a spam, it will be like 1. So now by using some keywords, we can detect the machine used to detect whether the given message is a spam or not. The messages like winner, runner, like all those such messages will be like it is a spam. The messages like good morning, hi with small string lines, it will be like the words will be in professional way. So that is the spam. That is not. I don't think it is a spam message. So the machine used to take that.
Then we have to why we have to use the logistic regression in the computation, and we have to spam the email like binary output zeros or ones. If the email was spam, it was zero. Not spam, it was one. In probability order, we have to predicate. We have to predicate the probability because it was simple and fast to predicate the email scam or not. And it also well used for the text calculation also.
So, in logistic regression, we will be implementing some steps to train the model. So, we will go through that. So, in step one, we will be collecting data. Data processing is being done. So, we collect a set of data relevant to the email of spam and not spam, and we split that data set into two data sets. One is training data set, and the other is testing data set. So we will be having more training data set and less testing data set, which is split into 70% and 30%. So in step 2, we will be training the model. So we will be giving like there is a threshold value which is 0.5. So we will be training the model with the training data to make it understand what is a spam mail and what is a not spam mail. So training it will make it more efficient. So, and then step 3 is model evaluation. So, in model evaluation, we'll be checking the accuracy, precision, recall, and the fish cure of the model, which is in this model we have got the values as 96%, 94%, 92%, and 93%. So after the model evaluation, we will be testing it in the real world to detect the spam and not spam in the emails.
So let us take an example. Like if we are getting a features of inputs, if there is a word like free, and we take win, and by if the we have a threshold value like 0.5. So if the word free have coefficient of 2.2 plus 2.5, it has strongly spam because it is greater than 0.5. Another one is if we take a win word in this email, it has 1.8. Is this near to the 0.5, similar to a likely a spam, not strongly spam. And if the email is email has less longer of the, if the email is short, it is mean to spam. If the email message is very long, it mean to not. So like if that coefficient, if the email has longer, it has plus. If the email positive coefficient, If the email is shorter, it has minus coefficient. So if email has minus coefficient, it can be spam. So by using this coefficient, we can detect the spam or not.
Now I'm going to explain the advantages, limitations, and the real world examples. In advantages, we are going to see it is used to fast training, works well with the large data set, and low cost. In limitation, it is very complex, and in real world, it used in SMS spams and fraud detection. That's it. By here, we have seen the spam detection using the logistic regression. Thank you. Okay, so logistic regression, by using logistic regression, we detecting the mail as a spam or not, right? So did you all clear about that?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.